Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video. Today, I'm going to show you this online method that will pay you over $1,000 while you sleep.
Wow!
All you need is, of course, yourself. Before I forget, what I'm about to show you is available wherever you are in the world. Now buckle up because as we go through today's video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks on how to make your money with this method. I'll show you how to maximize your opportunity in making fat stacks of cash with these methods. So stay tuned and watch until the end of this video.
Stay tuned.
Also, never skip ahead to go to some parts because if you do, you might miss some very important information that's highly crucial in completing the brand new money-making method online that I'm going to show you today. Now let me ask you, do you already have a PayPal account? If you don't, you should get one right away because this is the platform where you can get paid. If you're unfamiliar with the process, start by going to paypal.com and click on the sign up button right here on the upper part right portion of the homepage. Once you've done that, you'll be able to get paid. After that, you'll be redirected to this webpage where you must click on your personal account because we are going to use PayPal for our own personal use. After that, you must fill in some relevant information about yourself such as your mobile number, email address, complete name, and password, and you now have your own PayPal account ready to go. As I previously stated, this is where you get paid. So without further ado, let's get started on the first website. The first website that I want to tell you about is called spyfu.com. This website will assist others in their own website or Google Ads, allowing them to gain more traffic. It also discloses the search marketing formula of your competitors in every ad test that they've run for the last 15 years, which means that this tool spies on other people's success stories to incorporate them into the client's success. Hence the name SpyFu, which is a tad bit witty. Make sure to stay with me since I want to help you guys earn more and more money online. Not a single penny will ever leave your pocket, so you don't have to worry about any payments because there won't be any at all.
Are these free?
To begin, as you scroll down their website, you will notice an affiliate section under the useful link category, which I want you to click on. This website is one of many great ways to be an affiliate because of the repeating commission that pays out an incredible rate of 40 for the rest of your life. This means that if you refer someone to this website and they pay and use the website for their own use, you will receive 40% of the amount that they paid. Now, if you're new to this and have a little to no experience with it, don't worry about getting any traffic because I'll show you how to do that in this video. Now, as you scroll down the page, you'll find additional information about the affiliate program, so feel free to navigate through the entire page and find out everything you need to know. As you can see, they have a 365-day tracking cookie, which means that if someone clicks on your affiliate link during 365 days, you will get paid, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. What I enjoy about this program is that you'll get paid twice a month, as stated below, because most of you use PayPal and like to be paid through PayPal. It is very important that you receive your money through PayPal because this platform allows you to earn money passively. Furthermore, you can see that this platform has a churn or turnover rate of 4, indicating that your recurring commissions are still valid. This also indicates that the people you refer to will continue to use this platform, which, in my opinion, is the best feature of the website. So moving on, I want you to scroll back up and click on the button that says Start Earning every month to get your own affiliate link. A while ago, I told you how to gain traffic to get people to visit this website with your own affiliate link in order for you to start making money. Let's take a look at these 3 different options currently available on their platform. They have basic, professional, and team plans as well as annual and monthly payments. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, there is something you should know about how the professional plan is the most popular because it is the right amount with perfect services matching the corresponding rate. Now, imagine you have 10 people and each of them chooses annual professional pricing, and the website costs you around $5,000 to $7,000, and you make $4,500 because you get a rate of 40% of that. Isn't that incredible? So that you know how much money you can make using this strategy, all you have to do is persuade people from all over the world to visit the website and eventually purchase one of SpyFu's services. Given the little background we had on SpyFu, you now have the knowledge of how to make money online using this method, which is by getting as many people as possible to buy subscription plans through your affiliate link and earning money in return. Now, this part may be a little difficult, but there's no reason for you to pass up this fantastic opportunity because I'll be right there with you every step of the way. Anyway, let's get to the hard part: generating traffic. To do so, go to google.com and type in weight loss in the search bar. You'll be redirected to a page that shows various articles about weight loss. Next, you'll have to find articles about weight loss that fill your screen with advertisements. The reason for this is that we're turning those advertisers into customers. Just a heads up, look for articles on the second page or third page. This is why we will be the ones recommending them with the secret method that we have in our hands, because they are an example of advertising firms, which means they have a reasonable budget, which further tells us that you can market to them our secret tool. And if you succeed, you will be receiving a whopping 40% of all your successful subscription plans as your commission income. To give you an example, take a look at this website you want to associate with. You can use the information you've received by email, or if there's an available phone number, you can use their contact information. Reach out to them and make sure you don't leave any information out by listing all of the features accessible with our secret tool, as well as being specific and explaining why they should subscribe to any of the plans. You may also give them your opinion on which plan is ideal for them. If you think I'm done, think again, because this isn't the only method I'll show you in this video. Because the more clients you can invite, the more money will add to your account. This isn't the only method I'll show you in this video, because the second website I want you to visit is infinitesuggest.com. This website is an alternative strategy for creating and generating traffic online. These are the tools that will definitely help you because they offer you a wide range of keyword recommendations, such as weight loss, which will then show you a wide array of search results. Every time I enter, a significant amount of advertisements will pop up, allowing you to advertise our secret tool plans to those advertisers. You will never run out of clients and will easily find many more, as you can simply repeat the process with this premier money-making method only. As a quick recap, the secret website of our secret tool today is spyfu.com. Start using spyfu.com as soon as possible so your money-making journey can begin right now. Open your computer or whatever device you have and follow the instructions I gave you. If you can continue to use this strategy, your earning potential will skyrocket, and that cherry on top is that you can do all of this with no effort at all, and of course for free. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.